I'm Selena Hudson of Selena Hudson Designs.
And I'm Shirley Hudson of Hudson's Holidays. And today we're going to show you how to make these adorable hanging hearts. And we made a great kit, which will be in both of our Etsy shops. And we're going to show you today how easy and fun they are to make. And they're great for gifts, for Mother's Day. They do highlight rainbows and these cute little girls and lots of ribbons and sparkles and good stuff. And basically it's a great way to play with your kids during this COVID-19. It's a way to bring some happiness into your life. And I mean, who doesn't like glitter and and gluing? So today we're going to show you what's in the kit and how to make everything. Here we are with what you get in the kit. Selena cut out this gorgeous heart, and it's got a hole for the ribbons and a hole to hang. And then also our 6 art collage sheets that are printed out for you on nice paper, presentation paper basically. Lots of rainbows, flowers, sayings, backgrounds for your heart. You can use them all or only use some. You could even scan it and make more rainbows and hearts and things like that. And then you also get ribbons and trims, just a random bunch, and that will be right here in the heart. And then let me show you what you will need from your own home. So the glue stick, the scraps of corrugated cardboard from boxes, hardly anything, and then iridescent glitter or any glitter you like, and a glue that dries clear like this glossy accents, or it could just be Elmer's glue, and of course the scissors. And that's all you need to create these gorgeous hearts. So let's get started. Hello everybody. Okay, Selena's going to get started on the background for the heart. She's taking the paper and a pencil, and she's just going to trace around the whole shape of the heart. And those little holes. And then she's going to cut it out. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to watercolor this heart if you don't want to put a big background piece of paper. She's going to add some glue all around the heart, making sure she gets the edges too. And she used a scrap piece of paper to save your table. Now she's going to cut out anything she wants. A rainbow, flowers, a little girl. She's going to cut all the elements out for her collage. And it's easy to cut out because if you leave a little bit of white around the rainbow, around the little girl, around the flower, it looks really good that way. So you don't have to be that careful when you're cutting. Now it's time to decorate, which is the most exciting part. Some things look good laid down flat on the heart, but these little pieces of corrugated cardboard are great for giving dimension. So if I put this on here and I put a little girl, she's raised up a little bit. And then you could even put another little snippet of cardboard on top of her to raise it so it gives a nice texture, less flat look. So Selena's going to decorate. She's got lots of elements cut out. Hearts, sunflowers, rainbows, some sayings, and she's just going to start gluing with her glue stick. She's first going to just add that big rainbow. And you can have things hanging off the side of the heart. That gives it a better look anyway. So she's just gonna get her glue ready. She's gonna place it. Don't cover up the hole. And it's okay that this is just hanging over the side. Nothing wrong with that. It looks good. And now she's probably gonna add, what are you gonna add, Selena?
I'm gonna add some cute little bows to these girls, actually, to give extra cuteness to themselves.
Yeah. These collage sheets have lots of elements, bows and hearts and an envelope and rainbow, lots of rainbows.
Yeah, there's
Just
a lot of rainbows.
Lots of sayings.
Then even added, I'm gonna add a rainbow to the bottom of her.
This kind of covers up her bottom.
Then I'm gonna do the same to this girl. I found a cute bow for her.
Yeah. That's cute.
You gotta make them best friends. They gotta match with each other.
Okay.
And then getting a rainbow for her. She gets a bigger rainbow.
She's older, right?
Yeah, she's the older friend or sister or whatever you want to have it.
Gonna raise them up?
Yep, now I'm gonna grab some cardboard.
Yeah, you just cut them with your scissors. It's very easy. Add some glue. Put it on the back of her. So just with a little scrap of cardboard, she looks raised. And you can always use multiple pieces. You could put a bigger piece.
Yeah.
Put a bigger piece on her head. Like that. Maybe that on the body.
Yeah.
No one's gonna see it. It's a good way to recycle, you know, all these cardboard boxes you have. So they're already looking cute. Okay, what else are you gonna add?
The sun, and I'm gonna raise that too.
Okay.
I like the sun being.
I'll cut some more pieces for you. You can even do little tiny pieces. Oops.
Oh.
That's cute.
And I'm gonna grab the little clouds. And sometimes I like trying to sneak them underneath.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Kind of gives the
a better look.
A little look to itself of looking like clouds surrounding around it.
Good idea. Oh yeah. A little bit. Yeah, it's peeking out.
Yeah, it's peeking out from the look. Then I guess I'll chew these flowers, and I'm gonna sneak them behind here.
Mm-hmm. These areas will be covered up by the string that holds it and then the ribbons. So you don't need to worry about decorating those areas.
Some flowers.
What about your sayings?
Yeah, I'm gonna lift this one up.
Okay. Want me to make a long one for you?
Yeah, I need a long one.
Okay. I don't know if that's too long.
Probably good enough. Best friends. We all know it. No. Then I'm gonna lift up this "Love You Too."
Where are you gonna put that?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be in an interesting spot.
Cool. Cute.
Then I'm just gonna add some of these hearts just and dip like right up here to give a little bit more.
Yeah, that's cute.
It gives some hearts because they're best friends and sisters or whatever, so gotta have all the hearts. And then some of the flowers.
And you can use as many of the elements you want or as little as you want. Anything goes. Now it's time to add a hanger in the top. Just pull it through, knot it off. As long as you want. Okay, now you get to add all the cool laces and tulle and ribbon, which is in the kit. It'll just be random colors and different things. And you probably have some too that you could add. Adding rickrack, lace, tulle, ribbons. And the last thing you can do is glitter it up. And you can also add buttons, flowers, any ephemera that you want, little fabric heart. But we're going to keep it simple and just add glitter. Now we got our glue. It dries clear. Just use a glue that dries clear. Elmer's does that, and this is Glossy Accents. And Selena's just adding it to different things.
Now it's time to glitter.
This is an iridescent glitter, but any glitter that you like is good. This just gives it a shimmer quality. You can get this at Joann's, well, any store.
Yeah,
any store has
this.
Just shake it off gently. Okay. And now it's all glittered up. Let it dry, and you'll be good to go.
Here's the finished projects. That each look is very different, but it's very fun and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.